Today we are going on the MSC Divina Holistic Holiday at Sea Cruise. You guys probably know that I've been talking about this and I'm very excited about it. And today is the day. So we're just at our Airbnb right now in Miami. I was just steaming our clothes. We got this little like steamer thing and I was steaming Derek's clothes and I'm like, you know what? You could use this to make oatmeal or like a McDougal soup because it just boils water and then comes out of there. First 3 days on the boat, we are on the boat and we're not like, we have 3 days at sea. So we're gonna have to get creative. But I'm just really excited because there's so many vegan doctors on this cruise, like T. Colin Campbell and Dr. Greger and Dr. Esselstyn and Rip Esselstyn, and you guys, those are my heroes and I'm so excited to meet them. Plus there's just like tons of other cool people and there's like a really epic gym and there's so many of you guys coming and I'm just excited to meet everybody and hang out and eat some awesome vegan food. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Let's go.
F. Yeah.
Okay, F to France, Frankenstein.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Definitely a maze. Oh. So fun. It looks pretty nice.
It's really nice inside of it. It's really cool.
Very fancy. Derek's excited. There's a casino.
Roulette's my game. I like it because I don't have to think. I can just put the money down. Blackjack confuses me. I've never actually studied or tried to learn, but I just like roulette. You gotta get the camera up. There we go.
Vlogging. I just suck at this, so whatever.
I'm not saying you suck. Just like so low.
We're just wandering around the ship trying to find like our room. Ooh. Your game room. Yes. You can play video games. Oh my gosh, they have Pac-Man.
Oh shit.
Oh yes. You are gonna get your butt beat. It's at the very back. It's over here.
We're at 261.
Oh snap diggity.
Oh.
Oh yeah. This room's actually kind of big, you guys. A little room tour.
Oh.
Got this deck. We're at the very back of the ship. Look how cool that is.
So cool.
And if you go in here, got a TV, a little fridge, sparkling water area, mirror, our bed, couch. Here we just have a bathroom. The light doesn't work. The light does not work. Yeah, light. Alright, well, whatever. Oh, social media person. Look at that.
Very good introduction.
We're lost. It's okay. Hopefully we don't need these rescue boats. Oh yeah. So fancy. I think this is where the lectures are.
Cool.
Very cool. I guarantee you they'll have bingo for you.
There's no bingo?
I'm sure there's bingo.
I thought with the demographic of the ship, which is going to be a little bit older, I thought there'd be bingo on it. Oh, let's go get a drink.
What?
Let's go get a drink.
Okay, we'll go get a drink. Derek is ready to party.
Go put my bathing suit on and we can go jump in the pool.
There's Robert Chi.
We got James.
I'm James. This tricep.
Yeah, Robert Chi.
We got
Behind this tricep.
we got James Aspie.
I gotta back up here. We backed up. We get out of the way.
It's like all the cool people are back here.
I think they put like back here.
Yeah. You missed your like grand entrance at the like ceremony thing. Yeah, and they called your name and you weren't there. And then we got Derek. Alright, we are all dressed up, going to fancy dinner numero uno. Oh, there she is. They say hi. We got Miss Allie. We got Nikki. Potato Wisdom. We got Jill, Justin, and again this guy.
Your blood gets saltier and you got to protect your brain from looking like that in a few hours. So how does it happen? Well, you got to lower the concentration of the salt. How does the body do that? We need it to dilute out the salt. Hold on to it. And the kidneys say, aye, aye, sir, and they retain water. And between these two mechanisms, and this extra fluid starts leaking out. And people notice their ankles are swollen, and they feel all bloaty, and they get on the scale, and they're a pound or two heavier.
We have made it to St. Thomas. The last 3 days we've been at sea. We just made it to St. Thomas. So we're gonna get off the ship, go check out the island.
Rock me.